This is a quick movie expanding from our recording the macro to look at creating a toolbar. We created previously a macro that could be activated by pressing button 1 or by selecting the name of the macro from the macro list, but we're going to create a little toolbar to guide us through the process. So to do this, we're going to go to Window, Edit Workflow Toolbar, and at the moment, if I just line this up, you can see we have a toolbar with no buttons in it and a dialog button here. So let's give the toolbar a name. So let's call him Count Objects, and we can say show it on startup. So let's start. Let's add a button. Okay, this is the menu editor here. These are actually macro files, so I can say select a script, and I could, if I wanted to, go and get my count spots. But all of the regular functions inside Image Pro are under IP toolbar functions. Okay, now I can have my first button as open from file. I can either use a picture or a button, or if you're clever, you can use a combination of both, but we're just going to go with the file from the moment. So open from file, I press OK, I get a button that said open from file. Let's add another button. Let's have a enhancement function. Maybe we want to do a best fit as well. And let's do, the next thing we should do is let's run our macro. So let's go to count spots. Let's put James in there. So you can see now it's changed to this macro. I'm just going to change the name James to count, and I put the tooltip at the bottom, counts dark objects. Okay, so now I've got count, and the last button we're going to have, just returning to the toolbar functions, is let's just have save to file and maybe close all images. Now that's done, I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to call this count toolbar and press OK. Now this is my toolbar, so I can go open from file, and it's going to take me to here. So I can say best fit, I can execute my macro, I can save it, and I can close all my images. Now this will open up now because I've said open every time I open Image Pro, but you can just say close it and just go open workflow toolbar and browse to where it was. So from memory I would have put this in the scripts folder. So there's count toolbar, okay, and I'm straight back in. And this allows us to really to automate our process, so we can put multiple macros in here and we can have different commands. So it's very nice and very useful to work with. I hope that's of help. If you have any more questions, please contact your dealer or your local sales office. Thanks.